Hello peeps, I am Sonia. Welcome to the fifth video of Python series. In this video, we are going to learn about what is if statement, how it works and how to control it. So, let's get started. Before starting the video, let's see some comparison operators in Python. Greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to and smaller than equal to works exactly as it works in maths. If we want to find if two terms or conditions are equal or not, in maths we simply use is equal to operators. Whereas if you will see this operator in Python, it will not compare. Instead, it will assign the second value into first or it will show error because in Python is equal to operator is used as assignment operator. So how can we compare? We can compare by using double equal to operators. Let's see. 2 equal to 3 false, whereas 2 is equal to 3 error. Okay, if we want to check not equal to them, then we will use exclamation and equal to sign together. Here exclamation represents not. Let's see an example. 2 is not equal to 3. True. Now let's move to our main codes. If statement. You might be thinking, what the hell is if statement? So, if statement is a set of code which will only execute if given condition is true. It gives us control कि हम कौन सा code execute कर सकते हैं. How it is written? First, we write if keyword, then condition and colon. अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू होगी तो इसके अंदर का कोड एग्जीक्यूट होगा. Let's see this with an example. If 3 is greater than 2, print it worked. If keyword are condition and colon. तो अगर 3 2 से ग्रेटर होगा तभी इसके अंदर की कंडीशन एग्जीक्यूट होगी. सॉरी, इसके अंदर की स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगी. रिमेंबर इन लास्ट वीडियो वी टॉक्ड अबाउट इंडेंटेशन. दैट इज बाकी लैंग्वेजेस की जैसे पाइथन में कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स नहीं होते. इंस्टेड वी यूज स्पेस इंडेंटेशन विच डिटरमाइंस कौन सा कोड किस लूप के अंदर है. अगर आपने इंडेंटेशन खराब कर दी तो आपका डिजायर्ड आउटपुट नहीं आएगा. Here the condition of if statement, if it is true, if के अंदर वाली statement execute होगी, if it is false तो ये loop से बाहर आ जाएगा. Now let's run this. 3 was greater than 2, so it worked. Let's take two variable. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. If A is greater than B, print A is greater than B. Let's run this. Nothing, because A was 5 and B was 10 and A was not equal to B. Now let's do this. 5, 50 and now let's run this. A is greater than B. So how can we run something else if condition is false? Well, for that we need to use else. Let's see. Else print A is smaller. Now let's run this. A was 5 and B was 10. A was not greater than B, so A is smaller. Let's see other way around. A is 50. Now let's run this. Now our A was 50 and B was 10, that is A is greater than B. Our code is able to think. Cool, isn't it? What if A is equal to B? Let's check. A is smaller. Why? Let's see. क्योंकि A is 50 and B is 10. हमने कंडीशन दी थी whether A is equal to B, जो कि नहीं है, तो हमारी ये वाली प्रिंट वाली स्टेटमेंट स्किप हो गई. देन एल्स, क्योंकि एल्स में और कोई कंडीशन नहीं है तो ऊपर वाली कंडीशन छोड़ के जितने भी सारे केसेस होंगे वो सारे इसमें आएंगे एंड इसके लिए सारे केसेस ट्रू होंगे. सो ए इज सिमिलर, ए इज स्मॉलर. Whereas what we want, first check whether A is greater, and if it is not, check whether B is greater, and if it is also not true, then they must be equal. So for that, we are going to use else if or elif keyword. Let me show you. If A is greater than this, elif A is smaller, else they are equal. Let's run this. हमारा A 50 था एंड हमारा B 10 था. So A is greater than B. Let's make them equal. And now run this. They are equal. Cool, isn't it? आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में हम और भी कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Geek Wizard. Thank you.